In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to GoDaddy. It's a simple process that will help you streamline your scheduling and website integration, ensuring that your visitors can easily book appointments with you. Let's dive right in to get started. First, head over to the GoDaddy website. If you haven't already logged in, you'll want to do that now using your GoDaddy account credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Your next step is to click on Edit Website. This will open up the website editor where you can make all sorts of changes and customizations to your existing site. Once the editor is open, look for the Add section option. This is where you can include new features and functionalities to your website. Click on Add section and a list of categories will appear. From this list, select Files and Web. This gives you the ability to add various types of content, including HTML, to your site. Now choose HTML from the options provided. HTML embeds allow you to integrate various external content, such as Calendly, directly onto your website. After selecting HTML, go ahead and click on Add to add this new section to your site. Now it's time to switch gears and open a new browser window. You're going to navigate to calendly.com. Log into your Calendly account to access the dashboard. Once you're in, click on the Create button to start setting up a new event type. Here's where you can customize your event details. Click on Event Type and choose one-on-one if that's the kind of appointment you're looking to offer. Next, type in the name of your event. This is what people will see when they visit your booking page, so make it clear and descriptive. After naming your event, you'll select the duration. This is how long each appointment will be. Then select the location for the meeting. This could be a phone call, video call, or an in-person meeting, whatever suits your needs. When you've set it all up just the way you want, click Continue and then Done when you're satisfied with the setup. Now, it's time to make your event public and click on the Share button and then select Add to Website. Choose the Inline Embed option, as this will seamlessly integrate the Calendly scheduler onto your GoDaddy page. Click Continue and you'll see an embed code. Copy this code because you're ready to make the magic happen on your GoDaddy site. Head back to the GoDaddy editor and locate the HTML section that you added earlier. Paste the Calendly embed code into the HTML box. Once that's done, click on Done to finalize the integration. And there you have it. Your Calendly scheduler is now seamlessly connected to your GoDaddy website, allowing visitors to book appointments directly from your site. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has helped simplify the process for you. Have a great day and happy scheduling.